Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to type ad on computer or laptop. So if you also want to type ad on computer or laptop, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you might want to type this symbol whenever you're entering your email address or even your password. This symbol is also used whenever you're trying to mention someone in any social media platform. So there might be several reasons why you want to use this symbol. So typing this symbol in computer or laptop can be confusing, but it actually is very simple. All you have to do is press Shift and 2 on the keyboard at the same time. You can see over here add symbol has been typed. If you're particularly using the Microsoft Word, you can also insert the symbol. At top over here, you'll be able to find several options. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for insert. All you have to do is click on it. Now insert tab will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here you'll be able to find two options, equation and symbol. Simply click on the option symbol. Now you'll be able to see several symbols over here. Simply click on the option more symbols that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here this kind of window will open up. You'll be able to see several symbols over here. Here you'll be able to find the option for subset. Make sure basic Latin is selected over here. When you select basic Latin, you'll be able to see the Latin symbols. Right over here, you'll be able to find the symbol for @. All you have to do is click on it. After that, click on the insert option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, add symbol has been inserted. So that is how you insert the add symbol. Typing the add symbol is also very simple. All you have to do is press Shift and 2 at the same time on the keyboard. So that is how you type add on computer or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.